trick to this scale is to start from the middle of the bow with piano and gradually increase the size of the bow more and more as you crescendo into forte. And then of course when you reach forte, you are playing big full bow and start diminuendo. So you're starting the reverse process by decreasing the size into smaller and smaller bow until you reach piano, very, very small. Be sure to repeat the scale as you're practicing, and leave the fingers on the string as much as possible. Don't lift the fingers unless it's completely necessary. That should be the rule when you're playing the scale. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also invite you to visit my website where there's more information about the lessons I teach. Thank you for watching.